While these mandates are officially going into effect today, vaccine requirements aren't anything new. NBC5's Anthony Carter has a story.
While many people are upset with Oregon and Washington state's COVID vaccine mandates taking effect this week, health officials are trying to get the word out. Vaccine mandates have been around for decades.
They are not new. They have actually been a cornerstone of public health and of improving the health and lives of people for over 100 years, since vaccines really were invented.
According to Pew Research, all 50 states require immunizations for children to go to school. Some are to protect against diseases like chickenpox, polio, and measles. Jackson County Public Health Director Dr. Jim Shames says healthcare workers in Oregon are already required to have an additional vaccination for hepatitis B.
Especially people who are in situations where they're putting others at potentially at risk, like healthcare settings, or perhaps schools or congregate care situations.
Dr. Shames says he's surprised at the recent pushback from some people over the mandate. He thinks politics and social media have played a role in driving a wedge into the discussion of the COVID vaccine, which are deemed overwhelmingly safe by countless medical experts.
I haven't seen them expressed like this before in my lifetime. It's really a shame. People are distrustful of some that they used to trust quite a bit.
While Oregon is facing lawsuits from people and organizations to stop the mandate, the suits could face an uphill battle. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of Massachusetts' smallpox vaccination requirement in 1905. The justice said the state acted within its powers to pass a law to protect the health and safety of the public.
You could go to court, sue about it, and lose in requesting the preliminary injunction, but your case might not be dismissed. It's just that in the meantime, that mandate takes effect and you might be out of a job, but the lawsuit might get heard in depth by the court a year later.
Shames said he recognizes that many people disagree with the new requirement, but highlights that it's helping to control the virus.
From a purely public health perspective, the vaccines have accomplished the goal of increasing vaccination rates. COVID's a serious disease, and we want to use all the tools available to us to eliminate it.
NBC5's Anthony Carter reporting. Oregon and Washington's COVID mandates are being challenged in court.